Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineers. So today we'll have a look at the Defillama and I will teach you some useful information that you can get on Defillama and you can use this information to make profits on your trades. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So Defillama is a multi-chain TVL stats dashboard where data connectors contributed and maintained by a community. The majority of adapters on Defillama are contributed and maintained by their respective communities, with all changes being coordinated through the Defillama adapters GitHub repo. So this is going to be a playlist because as you can see on the left, there are millions of different things that you can see and that you can use on Defillama. So we're just going to have a look at the basic stuff today, but if you'd like to see more videos about Defillama and learn how to use it properly and 100%, you can let us know in the comments and we will add new videos to our Defillama playlist as soon as possible. So on the overview section, you can see there are different chains and protocols. So this is a protocol ranking. You can see the total value locked. This is, for example, Lido has nearly $15 billion of value locked. You can see the one-day change in TVL. As I said, this is total value locked. There are different information. So for example, this is one-day change, 7-day change, 1-minute change. This is the ratio of market cap to total value locked, 24-hour fees, 24-hour revenue. You can pretty much have a look at and learn information about any chain and any protocol on Defillama. So this was the overview section. Now let's have a look at chains. So when we open chains, we can see different information about each one of them. So for example, Ethereum has 842 protocols, nearly 265,000 active users. Again, we can see the one-day change, 7-day change, 1-minute change, total value locked, stables, and so on and so forth. In the second place, we can see Tron. It only has 24 protocols built on it. You can see Binance Smart Chain. We can see Arbitrum on the fourth place, 384 protocols. Again, nearly $2.2 billion of total value locked, stables, 24-hour volume. One of the biggest reasons I use Defillama on a daily basis is to have a look at ZK Sync's change in the last 24 hours and also in the last week. So if you have a look at it, you can see there are only 56 protocols that was built on ZK Sync. If you ask me, big reason why they should give an airdrop, because they don't only give airdrops to users like us, they also give airdrops to the protocols, and these protocols use that money to develop their products, and this is useful for the ecosystem. So an airdrop is useful for everyone, not only for users but also for the developers. So that is why we keep saying that ZK Sync Era's airdrop is very possible, and you can check our ZK Sync airdrop tutorial playlist from the top right corner. I would recommend doing everything on those videos. So again, you can see the total value locked, stables, 24-hour volume, 24-hour fees, and market cap, and the ratio of market cap to total value locked. Now let's also have a look at the compare chains section. So you can see the green one is Arbitrum and the blue one is Optimism. So if you just hover over on any section with your mouse, you can see the total value locked for both Arbitrum and Optimism and also their comparison. So at this point, you can see starting from August 6, 2022 and until August 19, 2022, Optimism overtook Arbitrum and passed Arbitrum in terms of total value locked. You can see Arbitrum was 820 million, whereas the Optimism was nearly $1.1 billion. Now let's also compare Optimism and ZK Sync Era. So if you scroll down, you can see ZK Sync Era. Because of the fact this goes back to 2021 and ZK Sync Era is fairly new, we can only see the comparison starting from this date. You can see it's March 24, 2023. This is the date mainnet, which we know as ZK Sync Era. Actually, ZK Sync contains two mainnets. The first one was ZK Sync 1.0, which is now known as ZK Sync Lite. And when they developed it, and it became more useful and more developed, and then they published ZK Sync 2.0, which is known as ZK Sync Era. And right now we're looking at ZK Sync Era, not ZK Sync Lite. So that is why the date starts from March 24, 2023, and you can see it's not even close to Optimism, and this is another reason why they should give out an airdrop, because as you know, Optimism and also Arbitrum has given out airdrops, and airdrop is very useful for the community and even the people who has nothing to do with crypto at all, hear about it, hear about these projects. And I know some people, I know some friends who started trading crypto just because they've heard about these airdrops. So it is a great boost for the project itself and also for the whole crypto world. Now lastly, let's have a look at airdrops. And as I said, if you'd like to see more videos about Defillama, we can just make more videos and add it to our Defillama playlist in the future. Just let us know in the comments down below. So in airdrop section, you can see the tokenless protocols that may airdrop. We can see MetaStreet V2, for example. Its category is NFT lending and its total value locked is 1.2 million. You can also see the one-day change and so on and so forth. You can have a look at different protocols. So I clicked on total money raised, and the first place is OpenSea Seaport. You can see that its category is NFT marketplace, as you know, OpenSea. Total money raised is nearly 130 million, and let's see that 8 months ago. We can see different projects. We actually have a video about Egen Layer, and in that video we talked about if you make some transactions on Egen Layer uses layer 0 technology. So that might mean getting an airdrop from both layer 0 and Egen Layer. If you haven't checked our Egen Layer video, you should check our Egen Layer video right now from the top right corner. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.